Have you ever cut into a frozen dessert and the fruit layer just oozes out or just becomes a puddle? I'm here to fix that. Today we're making vegan mango compote insert for my chocolate mango mousse, and the layer is stiff enough that you can cleanly cut through. It will stay in place and you will have no problems whatsoever, even in the hot weather, as we are coming to the summer now. So let's get into it.
To prepare for the filling, I cut mango in roughly 1 centimeter dice. I like pieces that are a bit chunkier, but you can cut in smaller pieces if you prefer that. Here's what we're working with. 400 grams of ripe mango puree. I am using Boiron frozen puree for this, which is one of my go-tos for consistency. Then 100 grams of fresh mango cut into 1 centimeter dice, as I mentioned before. Then 3 grams of agar-agar powder, 60 grams of caster sugar, 2 tablespoons of fresh lemon juice, and a teaspoon of lemon zest.
Mango already has some natural pectin in it, but it is not enough for the whole insert to set completely. So we need to boost the setting agent with a little bit of agar, which is just 3 grams. I would recommend you use a micro scale if you have one for these tiny little measurements. Agar is seaweed derived gelling agent, and unlike the gelatin, it does not break down in the freezing. You will have a nice sliceable firm layer in the middle of your cake. It will not weep, it will hold the shape, and it will not collapse. So that is perfect for frozen desserts. And let's talk about lemon juice. It has 2 jobs in this recipe. So it brightens the flavor and it slightly lowers the pH, which keeps the mango color really nice and bright, but also helps the pectin to activate a little bit and have it a bit stronger hold on the layer. Also flavor-wise, tropical fruit and citrus fruit are best friends, so keep that in mind. It's a really perfect pairing.
Now to the important part. Whisk your agar-agar powder into cold puree before any heat goes on. Agar has a tendency to clump if it hits a hot liquid. Sprinkle it first while everything is cool. Take 30 seconds and make sure there are no lumps. Think of it like cornstarch. You would never drop it straight into a hot pan. Same principle here. Add your sugar and lemon juice, then bring everything to a boil over medium heat. Whisk constantly. Once you're here, keep it going for around 90 seconds. That's the window where the agar fully activates. If you undercook it, set will be unreliable and could potentially weep when not set correctly. Off the heat, stir in your diced fresh mango. Pour it into a 16 cm silicone mold, or if you don't have it, use ring mold lined with cling film. Now it goes into the freezer overnight. This needs to be completely solid before you try to use it as an insert. If it's not frozen through, you risk it shifting during assembly or losing shape when you unmold it. This is one of those components you want to make a day ahead. It fits perfectly into any prep schedule because it just lives in the freezer until you need it. And that's your mango insert. It slices cleanly and holds its shape even after defrosting, which is exactly what you want when it's the feature layer in a plated dessert or an entremet. Coming up next, how this insert fits into the full dessert build. If you want the complete recipe, everything is in the description. I will see you in the next one.